So what common side do triangle GDE and triangle HED share? Well, we could tell this just by the name because look at the two vertices that they share, D and E. So it's going to be side ED. Right away, we could tell that from the name even if they didn't give us the diagram. But they did give us the diagram. So that makes it even easier to verify. So we can highlight those two triangles, GDE and triangle HED. And you can see, where do they overlap? They overlap right there at the side that we've colored for both of them, which happens to be side DE or ED. And we knew that already because it's in their names. E and D are the vertices that connect, or that are on either end of that side. So answer is A.